Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click on your name. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Go up of this sign, click on it, and come to this list here. Then you just go down. You keep going down and you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You just switching to open with us. So then you click here on visibility here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just go down. You come here to page owners exporting your data. Click on it. So then you come here to page owners here to export your data. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's main enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.